Alright guys, Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons. What I've got for you today are these 4 signature Paul Gilbert string skip guitar licks with tab, which are on patreon.com/JBF Music. Trying out a different format for folk that just want the licks versus those that want a thorough breakdown. Any comments or thoughts, let me know. Click there for more Paul Gilbert signature licks, or there for more useful string skip arpeggios. But yeah, hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, leave me any suggestions, check out the tabs on Patreon and enable all notifications by ringing the little bell on the side if you feel so inclined. Cheers guys.